Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Basuri and I'm back with another video. So usually I don't do this kind of videos. I'm not into this kind of genre, but I just thought of helping you all with it who are like starting with their makeup and like trying to experiment with new shades and trying to experiment with their makeup and just trying to be a little professional. So this video is for you guys. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. So by the packaging, I'm really impressed. I really like the packaging of this. Please ignore the background noises, I can't do anything about it. So I really like the packaging of it. I will just open it. So this kind of looks like the Makeup Revolution palette, I guess, but just the cheap version of it, like the dupe version of it. But this still is very beautiful. Just look at it. And it comes with like 40 shade ranges, and you can like do a lot of eyeshadow looks from this. And there are like 5 to 6 matte shades, and all of them are like shimmer shades, and these are the highlighter shades. So I am quite impressed by the palette because the packaging is very good, like very nice. It looks kind of cute, and also the price of this was 700 rupees. I got it from Amazon. It was on sale at that time, but the original price is 1000. But like this much shades in like 1000 is a lot. Like Huda palettes, Maybelline palettes, they are like this small and are very expensive. So like investing your money in this is very good if you are trying to do eyeshadow looks on a budget. So I will just swap some shades for you guys. So first I'm going to try this shades, the highlighter shades. They are quite nice. I'm sorry, I've never done this before, but it looks kind of cute. It's a lot of pigment. I thought while buying it, I thought that this would not be that pigmented and would be just like the cheap ones, but it's amazing. I really love the pigment of this. And let's move on to the matte shades. So for the matte shades, we have this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shades. So they are also quite pigmented. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. How do I show this? I'm very new to this, but it's okay. It's quite pigmented. It's just not visible to the camera, but it's quite pigmented. For next, let's move on to the shimmer shades. I'm not gonna swap all of them. I'm just gonna swap some of them. This brown, this one, the pink one, this one, and this green one. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. These are the shimmer shades. They are quite cute. Let me oh my god, my hand is so thin, you can't even see it. So guys, this is quite an investment, but if you are like really want to do it, you can do it. Like it's quite cheap for eyeshadow palette. For 40 eyeshadow, it's like a packaging of like the James Charles palette. It contains this much shades, but it's totally different. So guys, just a small suggestion: if you're just starting with your makeup and everything, I guess you should not buy this palette, because in 1000 rupees you can buy like drugstore products like your foundation, your mascara, your like compact and stuff. So guys, next thing is the Amazon makeup brushes. So used this yesterday, that's why they are a little dirty, but I'm gonna show you and tell you the review. So guys, this brush set consists of 10 brushes, 10 makeup brushes, and it also comes with a beauty blender and a brush cleaner. That's a very good deal. I guess it comes for like 300 rupees. I'm just gonna insert a picture here. And like a brush cleaner and a beauty blender and 10 freaking brushes. So it's amazing. Before buying it, I thought that they would just be very damaged or they would be not that good quality, but when I got them and I touched them, they are so soft. It's like literally so soft. I wish you guys could touch it. So soft. And it comes with like 5 makeup brushes. 5 set of makeup brushes. The people who do makeup professionally can tell these 5 brushes are totally different, are very different. Like this is the eyeshadow, I guess this is the baking one and the highlighter one. This is for the blush. This is for the foundation. It's the kabuki brush. This is for the contour, and this I don't know. I'm not that great at makeup. And it comes with 5 eyeshadow brushes. I don't know what happened to this one, but they work totally amazing. I just tried them yesterday, the eyeshadow brushes. It's amazing. It really gives a very good formula to it, and they are cheap, but the quality is very good. And I suggest if you're trying to buy some cheap makeup brushes from Amazon, yes, they are worth it. They are not bad quality. They do their work very good, very fine. And can you all just tell me to stop touching my hair again and again? And they are very good quality. They are like worth the money, like really worth the money. And you guys just can buy it. Like you can just try it out. So talking about the packaging they came in, the eyeshadow palette came in like hundreds of bubble wraps. Like they wrapped it so much that it shouldn't break. And I was not that impressed with the brushes packaging because it just came with like the plastic wrappers. It didn't give like a box or anything. That's why I kept it in the cup. But for that money, it's worth it, guys. So for both the products, it's the thumbs up from my side, and the eyeshadow palette is kind of on the higher side if you are starting with the makeup, but the makeup brushes are totally worth it if you're starting, and you can experiment a lot of things. You can learn a lot of things with the brushes. So that's it for today's video. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. Let's get to 500 subscribers real soon. And if you found this video helpful in any way, comment and tell me that you found this helpful. So bye guys, love you all.